Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano gĩa 11 gĩa atumia ataria mathabu mwena wa Mombatha, Nyoro nĩamenereirie wendia wa share cia kambuni ya Kenya Pipeline akiuga urari na njama hithanie. Nyoro akiuga bũrũri wa Uganda ũrĩa nĩ ũmwe wa arĩa maragũrire share ici ndũnagũra share ici na njĩra ya kĩhoto, ĩndĩ ĩrarĩ ngirimiti ya kuoya ũtongoria wa kambuni ya Kenya Pipeline.
Kenya Pipeline IPO was a flop. By the time the IPO was to be closed, it was less than 5% subscribed. So the government extended by a few days. In those few days, Kenya begged Uganda, Museveni, to come and put in money. That was not market driven. Museveni gave two solid conditions. One, that he be given 2 board members, but number 2, that he holds veto power on appointment of CEO of Kenya Pipeline.
Ndĩndĩ athiĩte na mbere na kuga nyingĩ cia kambuni cia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ iria thirikari yugĩte nĩ ciragũrire share ici nĩ kambuni ikoretwo ikĩenderio share ici kĩa hinya.
So you cannot come and tell Kenyans and lie to Kenyans. We had an IPO which was 105 oversubscribed. It is the phone calls that were made on Tuesday afternoon by you yourself who know yourself. You called the CEOs of these banks, instructing them to invest workers' money.
Kahinda-inĩ kau athiĩte na mbere na kũria ũtongoria wa kambuni ya NSSF ĩrĩa nĩ imwe cia kambuni iria igũrĩte share cia Kenya Pipeline kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ citige kũhũthĩra mbeca cia mũingĩ ũru.
And I want to tell NSSF, anything you cannot do with your own money, do not put workers' money in suboptimal investments. The CEO of NSSF and the trustees, I contribute to NSSF because my salary is cut.
Nyoro no atarĩirie atĩ thogora wa maguta nĩ ũkwambatĩra, akiuga thirikari ĩrĩ na ngombo iria igĩte igoti rĩa maguta.
Kenyans will soon hear some choruses from government because they want to raise fuel prices. They will now start blaming Iran and Middle East. So before they tell us Kizungu Mingi, oh, oil prices up because of Iran, first of all, tell Kenyans you added 7 shillings into fuel levy, which you have securitized illegally, and also the additional of VAT. Because we cannot continue when things are bad, we shoulder Kenyans with the load. But when things are good, like when the barrel of oil was around $54, Kenyans don't feel the advantage.
Andũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma gũkũ gĩcũa-inĩ kaunti ya Mombatha, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Madi.